Okay, Google. Hey Google, do you know Siri? Hey Google, how do you define love?
Hi. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, what is the day today?
It is Saturday, December 5th, 2020.
Hey Google, what is the longest word in the world?
Pneumono-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconorosis. According to Wikipedia, the longest word in any of the major English language dictionaries is pneumono-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconorosis, a word that refers to a lung disease contracted from the inhalation of very fine silica particles, specifically from a volcano. Medically, it is the same as silicosis.
Hey Google, do you know Siri?
She's Apple's intelligent personal assistant. You know, I'd love to watch Blade Runner with her. I think she really likes that film.
Hey Google, how about Bixby?
On the website Samsung.com, they say, Bixby is the Samsung intelligence assistant first introduced on the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. Do you want a little more context?
How do you say goodbye? Hey Google, how do you say goodbye?
In French, you would say, au revoir.
Hey Google, goodbye.
Have a good day, Aldrin.
Thank you. Hey Google, how do you define love?
Love has 6 different meanings. Starting with the most common one, love can be used as a noun to mean an intense feeling of deep affection, as in, babies fill parents with feelings of love. Is that the meaning you were thinking of?
I don't know.
Sounds mysterious. Let me know if I can help.
Hey Google, good morning.
Hello, Aldrin. The time is 7:37 a.m. Right now in Doha it's 24 degrees and mostly sunny. Today, it'll be sunny, with a forecast high of 30 and a low of 20. Have a wonderful day. Here's the latest news.
Thank you, Google.